parked at the visitor center parking lot and I'm heading toward Mather Point. Let's check it out. I'm just to the east of Mather Point here, and I'll just do a quick reveal. You guys are gonna flip. This is amazing. If you haven't been here, get out here. It's so great. All right, you ready for this? Get right up to the fence. Check it out. So gorgeous. Ugh.
How far is it down? A mile?
Yep, it's about a 2-mile drop.
Brave walking out here to Mather Point. There's a ton of people. Look at that. Like mass humanity out here. Worth it though. Let's go out and check it out. Facing in the sun, the color's kind of washed out, but I'm going to go over here to the other side and see if we can kind of get a better shot of what it really looks like. The color's amazing. Check that out. Wow. Long ways down. I'm gonna start walking west toward Yavapai Point. I'm looking for a place for some sunset photography, so hopefully I'll find it. I'm sure I will. Lots of good places. Oh, nice spot here. Nice foreground. Look at this. I don't know what that is, a yucca or something, but nice foreground. Cool spot. I'll mark this on my map for later.
Elle ici, pas. C'est plus long que prévu.
Well, nobody here now, but I'm gonna mark it on my map. I imagine it's gonna be packed a little bit later, but this is a great spot. Get some shots here. That's Buddha Peak out there, and then Bright Angel Creek Gorge or something like that out there. Anyway, I'm gonna make my way back to the truck camper. I'm gonna make myself something to eat and wait for sunset, get the gear out, get some photos.
Two hours later.
It's just to go across the valley and then back up. Stupid it.
That was pretty amazing sunset. Still some really cool pastel colors in the sky. Pinks and blues and purples. Lots of fun. I mean, that place it's jaw-dropping. If you've never been to the Grand Canyon, make an effort to do it. It's incredible. I mean, I don't have any words for it. It's amazing. Well, I hate trying to find a camping spot in the dark, but That's what's gonna have to happen tonight. Pull in one of these side roads. Look at this. Look at that color. You can see it through the trees. Coming into Tusayan.
At roundabout, take second exit.
Okie doke. Tusayan is hopping. Just saw two big old elk on the side of the road, so I'm gonna slow down and drive carefully.